Ram 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 Sarvebhyaha Swagatam. Welcome to class 36 of Learning to Chant Sriman Narayaniyam. We will start with the Dhyana Shlokam. Gurureva Gatir Gurumeva Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guroh Paramam Shishurasmi Guroho Matirasti Gurau Mama Pahi Guro Shrikanto Matulo Yasya Janani Sarvamangala Janaka Shankaro Devaha Tam Vande Kunjarananam पीताम्बरं करविराजितशङ्ख चक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will begin with the revision from the 6th shloka of the 18th Dashakam. Spurti, you can start.
भूयस्नां निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः देवाद्यैः समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनुमदोदुहस्त्वम् आत्मानैयजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन् आरब्धे शततमवादिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुः शतमखयेत्यनीचवेषः हृत्वाश्वं तव तनयात् पराजितोऽभूत् देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनं हरन्तं वह्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतोः समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्षथा स्वयं स्वम् तत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिष्टाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्.
It is Aikshishtaha Mahaprana.
ऐक्षिष्ठाः correct. ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्.
Tell it together. Aikshishthas Sanakamukan.
ऐक्षिष्ठाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्. विज्ञानं सनकमुखो वितन्दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो मनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक्पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासिन्. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये पृथुचरितन्नाम अष्टादशं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
19तमं दशकं. Ramya, you can begin.
पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्म कर्मठः प्राचीन बर्हिर्युवतौ शतद्रुतौ प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसः सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणाङ्कुरानिव. पितुस्य सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात् भवत् तपस्याभिरता दशापि ते पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम् तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसाम् उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम् स्तवं जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीश्विर्यान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता तपोभिरेषामतिमात्रवर्धिभिः स यज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां गृहयातनारदप्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मतां ययौ कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम् प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः प्रचेतसां तावदयाचतामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वराननः कारुण्यभराद्वरानदाः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनां भवत्वसौ रुद्रनुतिश्च कामदा.
Okay, we will move on to shloka number 8, 19th dashakam. Arjun, you can repeat after me. Arjuna, can you hear me? Okay, Arjun is not unmuting himself. Amogha? No. Let's start 8th shloka. Avapyakantam
अवाप्यकान्ताम्
tanayam
तनयाम्
mahiruham
महीरुहाम्
tayaramадধ্বম
तयारमध्वम्
दशलक्ष वत्सरीं
वत्सरीम् सुतोस्तु
दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम् प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदः
मुदैवतान्
अवाप्य कान्तान्तनयाम्
महीरुहाम्
तयारमध्वम्
तया रमध्वम्
दशलक्षवत्सरीम्
दशलक्षवत्सरीं दशलक्षवत्सरीं
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः
ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम् ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
प्रयास्यथेति
प्रयास्यथेति प्रयास्यथेति
न्यगदो मुदैवतान्
न्यगदो मुदैवतान् न्यगदो मुदैवतान्
अवाप्यकान्ताम्
अवाप्यकान्ताम् अवाप्यकान्ताम्
तनयाम् महीरुहाम्
तनयाम् महीरुहाम् तनयाम् महीरुहाम्
अवाप्यकान्ताम् तनयाम् महीरुहाम्
अवाप्यकान्तान् तनयाम् महीरुहाम् अवाप्यकान्तान् तनयाम् महीरुहाम्
तया रमध्वम्
तया रमध्वम् तया रमध्वम्
दशलक्षवत्सरीम्
दशलक्षवत्सरीं दशलक्षवत्सरीं
तया रमध्वम् दशलक्षवत्सरीम्
तया रमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीं तया रमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीं
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः सुतोऽस्तु दक्षः
ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम् ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम् सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम्
प्रयास्यथेति
प्रयास्यथेति प्रयास्यथेति
न्यगदो मुदैवतान्
न्यगदो मुदैवतान् न्यगदो मुदैवतान्
प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान्
प्रयास्यथेति प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान् प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान् अवाप्यकान्तान् तनयाम् महीरुहाम् तया रमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीं सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च माम् प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान्.
Very good. So one person has asked that the course page has not been updated for the November lessons. Say the YouTube recordings of the classes are updated on Sunday or Monday as soon as the class ends. So Saturday is the class, on Sunday or Monday they are updated. The course page takes some more effort and time to update because a lot of some HTML linking and other this it has to be converted to PDF and a few other things. So it takes some time for me. It may take 2 to 3 weeks, but the class recordings are instantly available. So please go to the YouTube page directly, the YouTube channel directly, and please access those videos. So I have told this multiple times, but still people, some of them have not understood the nuance. So just go to YouTube directly to the Vyoma channel and search for Narayaniyam or the playlist. So the playlist will be updated the very next day. Mostly it's done on Sunday. If not, at most on Monday, it is updated with the previous class. So please look into that. The corrections in the PDFs and then converting it to audio and then uploading it to the course page on the sanskritfromhome.in website It might take 2 to 3 weeks also. So please, you do not have to wait till then to revise these lessons. These lessons are instantly updated on the YouTube page. Thank you. Now we will go to shloka number 9. Arjun. I have unmuted you. Yeah, Arjun, you can switch on your webcam. Tatascha
te
bhutalarodhinah
bhutalarodhinah
tarune
tarun
krudha dahantah
द्रुहिणेन
वारिताः द्रुमैश्च
दत्ताम्
तनयाम्
तनयाम् अवाप्यताम् त्वदुक्तकालम् सुखिनः अभिरेमिरे
ततश्च
ते
भूतलरोधिनस्तरून्
भूतलरोधिनस्तरून्
क्रुधा दहन्तः द्रुहिणेन वारिताः द्रुमैश्च दत्ताम्
तनयामवाप्यताम् त्वदुक्तकालम् सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून् ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून् क्रुधा दहन्तः द्रुहिणेन वारिताः क्रुधा दहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः
क्रुधादहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः
द्रुमैश्च दत्ताम्
द्रुमैश्च दत्ताम्
तनयामवाप्यताम्
तनयामवाप्यताम्
द्रुमैश्च दत्ताम् तनयामवाप्यताम्
द्रुमैश्च दत्तां तनयामवाप्यताम्
त्वदुक्तकालम्
त्वदुक्तकालम्
सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
त्वदुक्तकालम् सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
त्वदुक्तकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून् क्रुधादहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः
there dahanto druhinena, that little stress on dakara should be there because dru is samyukta akshara. Krudha dahanto druhinena
क्रुधादहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः द्रुमैश्च तनयामवाप्यताम् त्वदुक्तकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
good, very good. Next shloka number 10, Ramya. No, the title of the slide is wrong, I'll change it. Avapyadaksham
अवाप्यदक्षम्
chasutam
चसुतं
कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसः नारद लब्धया धिया अवापुः
आनन्दपदम्
तथाविधः त्वमीश
त्वमीश
वातालयनाथ
वातालयनाथ
पाहि माम्
पाहि माम्.
So the third and fourth line we can split the sandhi. It is given together. Probably in most books it will be given like this only, but as we are splitting sandhis, we will split it as tatha vidhaha and then take up twamisha there. Twamisha vatalayanatha. This sakara will not be there. Same with the English text also. This sakara will not be there. Instead there will be a akara there. Okay. Avapyadaksham cha सुतङ्कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसः
प्रचेतसः प्रचेतसः
नारदलब्धया
नारदलब्धया नारदलब्धया
धिया
धिया धिया
नारदलब्धया धिया
नारदलब्धया धिया नारदलब्धया धिया
अवापुरानन्दपदम्
अवापुरानन्दपदम् अवापुरानन्दपदम्
तथाविधः
तथाविधः तथाविधः
त्वमीश
त्वमीश त्वमीश
वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्
वातालयनाथ पाहि माम् वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्.
Even the pahi mam is two separate words. It is pahi and then mam. It has come together. Just a space in between has to be given. That's all. There is no mistake. It's just a space in between which will be added. Avapya dakshancha
अवाप्यदक्षञ्च अवाप्यदक्षञ्च
उतङ्कृताध्वराः
सुतङ्कृताध्वराः सुतङ्कृताध्वराः
अवाप्य दक्षञ्च सुतङ्कृताध्वराः
अवाप्यदक्षञ्च सुतङ्कृताध्वराः अवाप्यदक्षञ्च सुतङ्कृताध्वराः
प्रचेतसः
प्रचेतसः प्रचेतसः
नारदलब्धया धिया
नारदलब्धया धिया नारदलब्धया धिया
प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया
प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया
अवापुरानन्दपदम्
अवापुरानन्दपदम् अवापुरानन्दपदम्
तथाविधः
तथाविधः तथाविधः
अवापुरानन्दपदं तथाविधः
अवापुरानन्दपदम् तथाविधः अवापुरानन्दपदम् तथाविधः
त्वमीश वातालयनाथ
त्वमीश वातालयनाथ त्वमीश वातालयनाथ
पाहि माम्
पाहि माम् पाहि माम्
त्वमीश वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्
त्वमीश वातालयनाथ पाहि माम् त्वमीश वातालयनाथ पाहि माम् अवाप्यदक्षञ्च सुतङ्कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया अवापुरानन्दपदम् तथाविधः त्वमीश वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्.
Good. So my sister surprised me. I thought Ramya was going to take it. That is not Ramya, by the way. That is Aparna, another sister of mine. So I myself got confused by the voice. Yeah. Iti. Continue there. Aparna, continue. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
प्रचेतॄणाञ्चरितम्
प्रचेतॄणाञ्चरितम्
It is not trinam. That tr is dirgha. It is rikara dirgha. Prachetrunancharitam.
प्रचेतॄणाञ्चरितम्
Nama
नाम
एकोनविंशतितमम्
एकोनविंशतितमम्
दशकं समाप्तम्
दशकं समाप्तम्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रचेतॄणाञ्चरितन्नाम एकोनविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रचेतॄणाञ्चरितं नाम एकोनविंशतितं दशकं समाप्तम् एकोनविंशतितं दशकं समाप्तम्
एकोनविंशतितमम्
एकोनविंशतितमम् एकोनविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
नारायण
नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Okay, good. We will move on to 20th dashakam. 20th dashakam is the story ahead, which deals with many more small stories will come up now. And this dashaka is in upajati. There is Upendra Vajra, Indra Vajra, Upajati. All there are multiple. So all of them are 11 letters and very similar meters, though they have some technical differences. No worries about that. We have already seen many of them in dashakam 11 and all. So we will go ahead. Suman, first shloka of dashakam 20. Suman, your camera is not there. Okay, it's okay. Priyabratasya
प्रियव्रतस्य
Priyaputra
प्रियपुत्र
Bhutat
भूतात्
Agnidra
आग्निध्र
Rajaduditaha
राजादुदितः
Hinabhihi
हिनाभिः
Tvan drishtavan
त्वां दृष्टवान्
Ishtadam
इष्टदम्
Ishtimadhye
इष्टिमध्ये
Tavaiva
तवैव
Tushtyai
तुष्ट्यै
Kritayajnakarma
कृतयज्ञकर्मा
Priyabratasya
प्रियव्रतस्य
Priyaputra Bhutat
प्रियपुत्रभूतात् प्रियपुत्रभूतात्
आग्निध्रराजात्
आग्निध्रराजात् आग्निध्रराजात्
उदितो हि नाभिः
उदितो हि नाभिः उदितो हि नाभिः
त्वां दृष्टवान्
त्वां दृष्टवान् त्वां दृष्टवान्
इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये इष्टदनिष्टिमध्ये
रिपीट
त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
only second part इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
तवैव तुष्ट्यै
तवैव तुष्ट्यै तवैव तुष्ट्यै
कृतयज्ञकर्मा
कृतयज्ञकर्मा कृतयज्ञकर्मा
प्रियव्रतस्य
प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियव्रतस्य
प्रियपुत्रभूतात्
प्रियपुत्रभूतात् प्रियपुत्रभूतात्
प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात्
प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात्
आग्निध्रराजात्
आग्निध्रराजात् आग्निध्रराजात्
उदितो हि नाभिः
उदितो हि नाभिः उदितो हि नाभिः
आग्निध्रराजादुदितो हि नाभिः
आग्निध्रराजादुदितो हि नाभिः आग्निध्रराजादुदितो हि नाभिः
त्वां दृष्टवान्
त्वां दृष्टवान् त्वां दृष्टवान्
इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
Tell Twan Drishtavan, like there is a nakara here. Even though ma is not wrong, whatever you're saying is not wrong, but we will stick to Twan Drishtavan. So tell nakara. Whole line.
त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये त्वां दृष्टवान् इष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये
तवैव तुष्ट्यै
तवैव तुष्ट्यै तवैव तुष्ट्यै
कृतयज्ञकर्मा
कृतयज्ञकर्मा कृतयज्ञकर्मा
तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा
तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निध्रराजादुदितो हि नाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा
Good. Here Priyaputra Bhutat, because we can stop it as Bhutat, we don't have to say Bhutat, though that both are nice and nice to listen also. Bhutat We usually say when this the previous letter has a hrasva swara, then we somehow have to pull it for it to fit in the raga. So then the halantakshara has to be pulled in that particular raga. If it was bhutam, then you have to pull it. Whereas bhutat, we can stop it as that halanta itself. So that is better. If we say, that is another way of pulling it. Nothing. So there are two ways of saying, and that's how people would say. So just to clarify, that is it only. It's just bhutat is the word there. Only for the raga sake, some pulling and all is happening. Next shloka, second shloka, Spurti. अभिष्टुतः
अभिष्टुतः अभिष्टुतः
तत्र
तत्र तत्र
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
राज्ञः
राज्ञः राज्ञः
स्वतुल्यं
स्वतुल्यं स्वतुल्यं
सुतमर्थ्यमानः
सुतमर्थ्यमानः सुतमर्थ्यमानः
स्वयं जनिष्ये
स्वयं जनिष्ये स्वयं जनिष्ये
अहमिति
अहमिति अहमिति
ब्रुवाणः
ब्रुवाणः ब्रुवाणः
तिरोदधाः
तिरोदधाः तिरोदधाः
बर्हिषि
बर्हिषि बर्हिषि
विश्वमूर्ते
विश्वमूर्ते विश्वमूर्ते
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र अभिष्टुतस्तत्र
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं
राज्ञस्वतुल्यं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं
सुतमर्थ्यमानः
सुतमर्थ्यमानः सुतमर्थ्यमानः
स्वयं जनिष्ये
स्वयं जनिष्ये स्वयं जनिष्ये
अहमिति ब्रुवाणः
अहमिति ब्रुवाणः अहमिति ब्रुवाणः
तिरोदधाः
तिरोदधाः तिरोदधाः
बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते
बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र अभिष्टुतस्तत्र
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं मुनीश्वरैस्त्वम्
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं
अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वम् अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वम्
राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं
राज्ञस्वतुल्यं राज्ञस्वतुल्यं
सुतमर्थ्यमानः
सुतमर्थ्यमानः सुतमर्थ्यमानः
राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः
राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः राज्ञस्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः
स्वयं जनिष्येऽहम्
स्वयं जनिष्येऽहम् स्वयं जनिष्येऽहम्
इति ब्रुवाणः
इति ब्रुवाणः
स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः
स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः
तिरोदधा बर्हिषि
तिरोदधा बर्हिषि
विश्वमूर्ते
विश्वमूर्ते
तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते
तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते अभिष्णुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते
Okay, good. Shloka number 3, Amogha. नाभिप्रियायाम्
नाभिप्रियायाम्
अथ
अथ
मेरुदेव्याम्
मेरुदेव्याम्
त्वमंशतः
त्वमंशतः
अभूः
अभूः
ऋषभाभिधानः
ऋषभाभिधानः
अलोक सामान्य गुणप्रभाव You muted yourself, Amogha.
गुणप्रभाव
प्रभावित अशेषजन प्रमोदः नाभि प्रियायामथ
मेरुदेव्याम्
त्वमंशतः
अभूर्ऋषभ
अभिधानः अलोक सामान्य गुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेष जनप्रमोदः नाभिप्रियायाम्
प्रियायाम्
अथ मेरुदेव्याम्
अथ मेरुदेव्याम् अथ मेरुदेव्याम्
नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्याम्
नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्याम् नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्याम्
त्वमंशतो भूः
त्वमंशतो भूः त्वमंशतो भूः
ऋषभाभिधानः
ऋषभाभिधानः ऋषभाभिधानः
त्वमंशतो भूर्षभाभिधानः
त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः
अलोकसामान्य
अलोकसामान्य अलोकसामान्य
गुणप्रभाव प्रभावित
गुणप्रभाव प्रभावित गुणप्रभाव प्रभावित
अशेषजनप्रमोदः
अशेषजनप्रमोदः अशेषजनप्रमोदः
अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव
अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव
प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः
प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः
अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः
अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्याम् त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः अलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः.
Very good. So in the second line, it's a very new kind of pronunciation you would have come across. Abhuhu Rishabha. There is a rakara with a swara rikara. Some of you might have seen this. In the Vedas, usually we would say it as Abhur Rishabhabhi. So that ra, you have to give a pause and then take the r. So Amogha said it very well. If you have noticed, clearly listen to it. Tvamam shato bhur rishabhabhi, bhur rishabhabhi. So that's how it goes. So the ra first and then ra. So both together, one after the other. So obviously you can't tell it like other places where, example, if ma comes with r, then you would say mr, tr. You can't say r. It's not possible. So it is r. Bhur-rishabhabhi, bhur-rishabhabhi. So that's how it goes. Okay. So that is the pronunciation there, which is new. And then followed by 3 Mahapranas together, which requires a lot of prana in the lungs to give it out. Rishabhabhidhanaha. Those we have come across very frequently. So I think we will stop with that today, and we will take, I will tell the whole of the 19th Dashakam. And next class we will end the 20th Dashakam. Next class we will have 7 shlokas. I think because these are smaller shlokas, we can finish the 20th Dashakam. So after that, as usual, we will have a discourse the week after, and then 2-3 weeks later, probably December end, we will have the memorization. So now any questions, small questions, you can type it out. Then we will have the question and answer session, and then student recitation session also as usual. First, I will finish the recitation of 19th Dashakam, the 3 shlokas in 20th. Then by the time you can type your questions. Atha एकोनविंशतितमं दशकम् पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्मकर्मठः प्राचीनबर्हिर्युवतौ शतद्रुतौ प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसः सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणाङ्कुरानिव पितुः सिसृक्षानिरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम् तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसाम् उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम् स्तवं जपन्तस्तममीजलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीष्वियान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता तपोभिरेषामतिमात्रवर्द्धिभिः स यज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां गृहयातनारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मताञ्ययौ कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम् प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः प्रचेतसान्तावदयाचतामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वरानदाः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनां भवत्वसौ रुद्रनुतिश्च कामदा अवाप्य कान्तां तनयां महीरुहां तया रमध्वन्दशलक्षवत्सरीं सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च मां प्रयास्यथेति न्यगदो मुदैवतान् ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून् क्रुधा दहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः द्रुमैश्च दत्तान्तनयामवाप्यताम् त्वदुक्तकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे अवाप्य दक्षं च सुतं कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया अवापुरानन्दपदं तथाविधः त्वमीशवातालयनाथ पाहि माम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये प्रचेतॄणां चरितन्नाम एकोनविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Here I forgot the word dashakam. It exists. I will add it. Dashakam is not. That's all. प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्निध्रराजादुदितो हि नाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुष्ट्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा अभिष्टुतस्त तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं सुतमर्थ्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरोदधा बर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्यां त्वमंशतो भूर्ऋषभाभिधानः आलोकसामान्यगुणप्रभाव प्रभाविताशेषजनप्रमोदः. Now we will take some questions. Anyone who has, I will put all the hands down first, then if you have questions. If you have questions, you can raise your hands. Anybody who has questions can raise your hands. Vijay Lakshmi Kirtivasan, then I'll call Jyoti Shane.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
In the 19th தசகம் வந்து நீங்க வம்சஸ்தா சொன்ன இல்லையா? You said we have learned it before. வேற எந்த தசகத்துல அது வந்திருக்கு? I missed it. நீங்க last class சொல்லும்போது you said we have learned that already.
Having seen it in some dashaka, I forgot to check which dashaka it is. If anyone of somebody else remembers, you can put it on the chat on the question panel. You just put which dashaka it is. I'm kind of
but are you sure we have come across this dashaka before? ஏன்னா எனக்கு அது first time கேக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு அந்த பேரு.
Okay, maybe then that is the first. Maybe it comes again somewhere else and I got confused. Again, it might come somewhere else. For sure, it is repeating in Narayanyam. I thought we had already seen it, but anyway, Vamshastha is a very lot of even the Kirata Arjuniya Kavya and many others, they have Vamshastha. Maybe I got confused. Okay, Vamshastha is a meter for them. Ram Ram, 12 letters meter. Jyoti Shanai, then Jayalakshmi Ganesha.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Namaste. In Dashakam 18, Shloka number 7, last two times I noted Dashakam 18, Shloka 7. That is Atma Nam Yajati. But when reciting it, both the times I heard Atma Nai Yajati.
Yes.
Not Nam.
Yes.
So how does one pronounce it? Nam or Nai?
So that is the Anuswara rule for Yakara, which multiple places I've explained. So it is when Yakara comes, and the Santhi happens, it is Nayajati, it is Yakara Anuswara. Like it is almost like a Chandra Bindu in Hindi. If you have a Chandra Bindu and then put one more Yakara, that's how it is pronounced.
Okay.
So so there is no mistake in pronouncing Atmanam Yajati. You might have heard some panelists telling that also, which is also correct. It is something Atmanai Yajati.
Yeah, because it's difficult to remember for different verses where it goes Nai. So by mistake, if it is pronounced Nam, it is okay, right?
Nam is never a mistake. For every place, Nam for Anuswara is never a mistake.
Okay.
So only if you pronounce it, instead of Nai, if you pronounce it something else like Nan or something, then it is wrong. Totally wrong.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, then Vihan.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaskaram.
Dashakam 20, second shloka, it is given as Rajnya Swatulyam in my book. Rajnya Swatulyam is right, is it?
Rajnya Swatulyam, both are possible. We will stick to Rajnya Swatulyam.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Then Vihan, then Venkateshwara Gopala.
Ram Ramana.
Ram.
Dashakam 20, Shloka number 3. Aloka Samanya Gunaprabhavaha. Can we split that from the next line, or
no, you
we
can
should?
Split it. If it was possible to split, I would have split it there. It is not possible. The whole thing is one word. Both third and fourth line together are one single Samastapada it is. There is nowhere you can split any Sandhi. Only Samasa can be split. And if at all you can't hold the breath and take a pause, then you can split it in the places where I split it during my recitation. So any aloka is one word, samanya, guna, prabhava, prabhavita, ashesha, jana pramodaha. All these are separate words, but if you want to tell it as perfectly as possible, the whole thing should be said in one breath.
Okay, thank you.
Venkateshwaran Gopala, then Panchanatham Swami.
Sir, Namaskaram. In this
Namaskar.
first shloka of 19th Dashakam, it is Praketasa or Praketasa? And both are correct.
Yeah, both are kind of correct. Both are acceptable, but we will keep it for Prachetasa only. Prachetasa is better here. Yeah.
Praketasa is the name of a person.
Yes, all those people together, Prachetas, all the 10, there are 10 of them together. They are called Prachetas. So Prachetasaha is plural there.
Dhanyawad. Thank you.
Panchanatham Swaminathan.
Namaskara, sir.
Namaskara.
You mentioned, okay, I have a couple of questions. The first one, I pick up on the last comment. Prachetasaha, it says a Bahuvachanam for all the Prachetasa, so it's not Prachetasaha.
No. That the Shabda itself is Prachetas Shabda. It is Prachetaha, Prachetasau, Prachetasaha. That's how the Shabda goes.
I see, okay.
It is like
Then,
Vedas Shabda. There are many Shabdas like that. Sakaranta Pullinga.
I see. Then my second question is the last shloka with the Amogha recited. You said about the special pronunciation, Vedic reciting.
Yes.
Can you dwell on a little bit? Why is it different from the? I mean, it looks to me as a Bhuhu Prashaba. So the Bhur Rishaba, Tom Shatho Bhur Rishaba Bidhanaha, right? So
yes.
Is there any? I mean, you said something about the pronunciation. Is there something different?
Yeah. So why it is in the both? So the R, Swara R has a little of Repa, that is the Rakara in it. So when you are trying to pronounce it along with the Rakara, it's almost like you are having a double Ra there.
Okay.
Though there is a very minute difference between both of them. So then it would go like R, which is little, there is no way of, it doesn't roll in your tongue at all. Like if Rakara came with any other Swarakshara, it would roll with your tongue, but this would not roll. For both Ya and Ra, this is a problem. Both with Ya. Yakar also, if you put R, is very difficult to say. Similarly, Rid is very difficult to say. So that's why there is that very difficult to put it technically. So that listening, multiple times you listen, you get that. So there should not be a very distinct pause after Rakara to say the R, but there should be that Abhur Rishabha Bidhanaha. That should come. That is why that.
So if it's not properly said, does it affect the meaning or anything like a? So they have like Udata Anudata Swaras, right? So
Abhu is one word, Rishabha is the next word. And that is as usual, the Rakara comes in because of the Santhi, Rakara Desha for the Visarga that has gone away there. So if you want to say it, make it simple, you might as well say Tumam Shato Bhuhu Rishabha Bidhanaha. That is the, if you are not, if you find it very difficult to say Abhu Rishabha, Abhuhu Rishabha Bidhanaha is the best way to go about it.
Right. And then the last one is a Samastapada, you said, right?
Yes.
So the entire line is Samastapada. So Samastapada is like there's a samasa for connecting these words, right?
Correct.
So it's a question on Vyakarana. If it is too much time, ignore it. We can talk later. How do you do the Vigraha on this? It is simply splitting the words, or is there a special rule for the Vigraha Vakyam for the entire Samastapada?
So I think Soumya Krishnapur madam will deal with her, will deal with this more nicely in her Vyakarana courses. Nonetheless, here, whenever you have such a huge samasa, first you have to understand the meaning and then start splitting the samasa. You have to see which words go together. It is a so the main thing while splitting samasa is first you have to understand the meaning and then go about splitting. It is not the other way. You can't split and then understand the meaning. So it's always know the meaning and then split according to the meaning. And then you will have to go about it 2 words at a time. So you have to split it. So
Yeah.
samasa is always only between two words. It is never beyond two words except for Dvandva samasa. All those technical details will be taken care of there.
Okay.
Yeah, we will take it aside. It's a long.
I know. Dhanyavadaha. It's very beautiful. I enjoy every class of yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Then we have Srilata Gobburu and then Geeta Vinod. Srilata Gobburu.
Namaskara Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In 19th Dashakam, 9th shloka, the second line, Krudha dahanto druhinena varitaha. Is
Correct.
Dhru has a Mahapranam to it or no?
No Mahaprana.
No
It is Alpa Prana.
Mahaprana.
Yes.
Because I heard like you are giving some Mahapranam there. I just want to make sure.
Okay. That is not Mahaprana. Okay. That I understood.
Stress.
So I will tell you. It is Dahanto Druhinena. That is not Mahaprana. That is it is like as if there is one more Alpa Prana Da.
Yeah. Stress. Little stress on the.
A little stress, but not with prana. It is because of the extension. Like there is a double dakara, Alpa Prana Da.
Okay.
Like that it is. It's not because of the
Druhinena varitaha.
Correct. Yes.
Dhanyavadaha.
Geeta Vinod, then Radha Rao.
Ram Mahoday.
Ram.
Again in the 20th Dashakam third, the same issue. For me, it is Twamam Shato Bhood Id, not Bhuhu. It is given in my book like that.
Abhoot. Oh, Abhoot.
Abhoot.
Abhoot is okay, but it's not very exact according to Vyakarana, because here Bhattatri has used Tvam. If he had used Bhavan.
Tvam means Abhoot, Abhuhu, Abhoot.
Abhoot will not come for Tvam. Abhoot will come only for Bhavan, and it cannot come for
Bhavan. That's why Abhudanu koduthu. It is Abhud, the Dakara.
If it was Abhoot, then the Rikara will become Abhood Rishabha. But that is not very exact according to Vyakarana, and I don't think Bhattatri would go that way.
I will change it as Bhuhu. Abhuhu.
Yes, Abhu.
Okay.
The one on the screen is better. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Radha Rao. Radha Rao ji. You're self-muted. You can unmute yourself.
Namaste, Guruji. I just want to know whether we can get the meanings of the 1 to 5 Dashakam and 5 to 10 Dashakam, which you had already finished in the YouTube.
It is there on YouTube. It is there as a playlist. All three are available. 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and 11 to 15 are all available on YouTube channel.
How it is along with the this thing only, that your lessons only, classes?
Yeah, it is a separate playlist. If you have
what is it named as?
I hope one of the audience will be able to help you if they can just put it on the question. I'll just copy paste it. I don't exactly remember. I think it is some discourse on Narayaniam. It is also available on the. You go to the. There is a separate course page for those discourses on the sanskritfromhome.in website itself. So you can register there. Then it will take you directly to the playlist.
But I invariably miss all the Upanyasa class which you take. So I thought I will.
Go there, and then anyway the recording is available on the YouTube playlist. So it doesn't matter because it's anyway once in 2-3 months. So do not worry.
Thank you, sir.
I think that is the end of questions. I put all the hands down. Anyone who wants to recite can raise your hands. Yeah. Now I hope the hands are raised only for recitation. We will start from 18.6 where we started revision today. Yes. Yuvedha 18.6. Then Vijayalakshmi Parthasar.
Ram Guruji. Bhuyastam Nijakula Mukhyavatsa देवाद्यै समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अण्णादिन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभित्तनु अदूदुहस्त्वम्.
Here in the third line, all the nakaras you are telling it like na.
Okay.
Understand the difference between both? Tatha dadha na is not there. It is nowhere there. All of them are tata dadha na. So
Okay.
all your pronunciation of na looks like the other na. Otherwise, very good pronunciation.
Can I repeat the third line again?
Yes, go ahead.
अन्नादिन्यभिलषितानि अन्नादिन्यभिलषितानि यानि तानि.
Correct. Good.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next, who did I say? Vijayalakshmi Parthasarathi. This is yes, Vijayalakshmi Parthasarathi. Then Venkata Subramanian.
Hello.
Yes.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Atmane yajati makhaistavtvai tridhaman arabdhe shatatamavaji medhayage spardhalushatamakayetya nichaveshah hatvastvam shvam tavatanyat parajito bhoot.
Very good. Very good. Good pronunciation. All of you are improving.
Thanks.
Next, Venkata Subramanian.
Ram. Devendram muhiriti vajinam harantam vannau tvam munivara mandale juhushav rundane kamala bhave krado samaptau sakshatvam madhuri pumaichyata vayam swam.
Good. Good. A little more Mahapranas, the stress should come. Mahaprana is not coming on Mahaprana. Right? You are giving the effort a little more. Good.
Okay. Thank you very much.
E and Meena, then Radha Rao.
Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Devendram muhuritya taddattam.
Yes.
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देव सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिष्टाः सनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्.
Very good. Very good. Well said.
Thank you. धन्यवादः.
Radha Rao, then Maragadam. You can put your hands down once you have recited. So it will be easier for me. Radha Rao, shloka number 10. Okay, or Maragadam, you can go ahead.
Sorry, sir.
Radha, yes.
Vijnanam sanakamukhodhitam dadhanah swatmanam swayamagamo vananta sevi tattadrik prituv apurisha satvaram me rogau gaum prashamaya vatagehavāsin.
Good pronunciation. Mahaprana should improve.
Okay, sir.
19th first shloka Maragata.
Vanakkam Guruji. Prutho napta pruthu dharma karmadaha prasinabar hir yuvadau sadathrutau praseda so nama suseda sasudana ajijanatvat karuna puraniva.
Lot of improvement is there. Like that, a little more. Like that, you keep practicing, you will improve very well. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Then Lakshmi Sundara Rajan, then Jyoti Shanai.
पितुस्सिसृक्षानि रतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापि ते पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशर्मनोहरम्.
Repeat third and fourth line.
पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे
Paschima.
पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्.
Very good. Good. Nice. Very good. Next. Jyoti Shanai.
राम राम. तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसाम् उपादिशत् भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम्.
Very good. Nice. Next. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, then Geeta Vinod. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. It's okay. It's all moving all ahead. Yes, Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. Now. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, you are self-muted. Now. I will go to Geeta Vinod and come back.
राम राम.
Geeta. Ram Ram.
स्तवं जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीषियान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता.
Very good. Good. Perfect. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. Okay, it keeps on. Okay, you try to unmute yourself. We go to Bhushini PV. Then Rishita.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram. Shloka number 5.
तपोभिरेषामतिमात्रवर्धिभिः सयज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां ग्रहयात नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवतात्मतां ययौ.
Very good. Very good. I'm telling very well. Next. Rishita.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
कृपा बले नैव पुरः प्रचेतसां प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः.
Very good. Very good. A lot of you are telling properly, almost close to a very good pronunciation. You should all try to memorize and come for memorization test. Asha Vishwanath, then Mohana Sundararajan. Asha Vishwanath Nath, shloka number 7. Yes.
Yeah. प्रचेतसा तावदया चतामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वरानदः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनां भवत्वसो रुद्रनुतिश्च कामदा.
Very good. Very good. Nice.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yes, thank you. Next, Mohana Sundararajan. Go ahead. Mohana Sundarajan, you're unmuted on both sides. 7th shloka itself. Repeat. We will go in the reverse order now. We have about 7-8 people remaining. Okay, Mohana Sundarajan, I'm not able to hear. Vihan.
Ram.
Ram. Yes.
प्रचेतसां तावदयाच्यतामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभरात्वरानदाः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनां भवत्वसौ रुद्रनुतिश्च कामदा.
Very good. Very good.
धन्यवादः.
Vanamala, then Panchanatham Swaminathan. Shloka number 6.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar.
Kripa balenaiva pura prachetasam prakashamaga padagendravahana.
Purah prachetasam. There it is like an F sound. Purah prachetasam.
Okay. Kripa balenaiva pura prachetasam prakashamaga padagendravahana.
Same F sound here also. Agaf patagendra.
Prakashamaga padagendravahana. Viraji chakradi varayudham shubhihi bhujabhirashta bhiradunjitadvitihi.
Very close to good. Last line little, that is because it is a very long word. To practice, you'll become very good. Nice.
Thank you.
Shloka number 5, Panchanatham Swaminathan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, sir. Tatho bireshamatimatra sayagya himsa nirathopi pavitaha pitapi tesham grihayata narada pradarshyitatma bhavadatmatham jayau.
Good. I think slightly in some takaras, a little extra stress, like it is going towards Mahaprana. Those takaras did not go like Bhavadatmatha. It's not full Mahaprana also, it's somewhere going towards it. You have to give that stress to those tas. And here, the third line, you can give a pause at Pita Pitesham Grihayata.
Okay.
Good. Otherwise, you are attending so many courses, your pronunciation is good.
Yeah. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Radha Ram Mohan, shloka number 4. Then Suvarna.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste. Stavam japanastamami jalantare bhavantamase vishatayutam samaha bhavatsukasvadarsadamishviyan bhabhuva kale dhruvavanna shigrata.
Not kale, it is kalo, no?
Sorry. Babhuva kalo dhruvavanna shigrata.
And tell the first line again.
Stavam japan stamami jalantare. Japantastamami jalantare.
Listen to it. You know how to pronounce it. You just not heard it properly. Good. Otherwise,
thank you.
Suvarna Sudagoni, shloka number 3. Then Savitri Gangadhar. Suvarna Sudagoni. Oh wait, I have not unmuted you.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram.
Tada bhavat tirthamidam samagataha bhavo bhavat sevaka darshanadritaha prakashamasatya purah prachetasam upadishat bhaktatamasttavastavam.
Yeah, everything was good. Only third line, it is Purah Prachetasam. Like I said, I told the other person, lot of you are missing that. Whenever Visarga comes and is followed by pa or pha, you tell the F sound. Purah prachetasam.
Purah prachetasam.
All of you will get it. You just have not stopped at that and thought about it. That's all. There's no one who will not get it. It's simple pronunciation, that one. Anyway. Next, Savitri Gangadhar. Shloka number 2. You can unmute yourself. You're self-muted.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
पितुः निरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरतादचापिते पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृश मनोहरम्.
Very good. I think that is the end of today's recitations. Thank you all. You are all improving very well. Same way, a lot of you have joined the Telegram group also. So that, as I said, the main idea of that is to so that you find some partners to practice. If you, as I always said, if you have one more person listening to you and both of you revise, it becomes very easy. One can correct the mistakes in the other. So if you can find the same partner in this Narayaniam class, it is very good. If you already have your spouse or siblings or somebody in your family who can do that, very well and good. You're not able to find someone, that is why that group is there, where 2-3 people or maximum 4 people should get into one activity. You should not have a huge group again to discuss that. Just be 2-3 people. You can also say, like, first line one person says, the second line the other person says, and that way you say church. And then again the other way. So the other person says the first line, this person says the second line. That's called doing charcha. So like that, it also increase your concentration. So you listen to the other person, get the next line, and they listen to your line and get the next line. So that gives a lot of flow, and it becomes almost automatic. So that's how it helps when you have 2 people. Usually 2 is good, 3 is also good. Beyond 4 is a little difficult. It becomes you get distracted. So try to form such, try to have your practice partners, and then you will become better. All of you have improved a lot from the beginning of the class. Keep it up, and we will keep on going like that. Let Guru Ayappa's grace be there. You're almost at the 1/5 we are going to complete. Sarvebhyo namo namaha. Ram Ram Ram. We will meet again on next Saturday. Sarvebhyaha Kartika Deepotsavasya Shubhashaya. Ram Ram.